Have you ever wondered why so many people say gelatin suppresses hunger? Why, even without significant calories, does it create a feeling of fullness? Here's the thing. Gelatin contains two specific amino acids, glycine and alanine, that when combined with other bioactive compounds, stimulate your own intestinal receptors to produce GLP-1 and GIP naturally. Take a look at this example. This empty beaker represents your body, and the soda represents the fat that builds up in your body when your GLP-1 and GIP hormones are low. Now, if I add just a little of this solution that contains the bariatric gelatin, watch what happens. The reaction you just saw represents that stubborn, stored fat being completely melted away by your body, all thanks to the increased natural production of GLP-1 and GIP. Now that you've seen it work, I'm going to reveal the secret formula of bariatric gelatin. A simple solution made with gelatin and 3 other ingredients that naturally activate your body's production of GLP-1 and GIP with 0 side effects. Taking you from this to this, the first and most powerful ingredient is pure gelatin, but not just any ordinary gelatin you find at the grocery store. This one contains concentrated levels of glycine and alanine, special amino acids that act like master keys for your metabolism. Now, listen closely. Remember how I explained that GLP-1 and GIP are like traffic lights telling your body when to stop eating and start burning fat? Well, glycine and alanine are like expert technicians who fix those broken signals, getting them to work perfectly again. But there's more. A 2025 study by the European Chemical Society discovered something surprising. Glycine can increase GLP-1 by up to 182%, and alanine raises GIP by 144%. It's like your metabolism has been running in slow gear. And these amino acids are the premium fuel that makes it speed up again. The researchers were so impressed, they called it the cascading metabolic effect, because once it's activated, the effect multiplies hour after hour. Those who think that gelatin is just a tasty, low-calorie food are mistaken. This small cube contains 2 powerful weight loss amino acids that positively act on the natural production of GLP-1 and GIP. The second ingredient is green tea extract, known as the silent accelerator. This extract acts like a natural amplifier for GLP-1. Imagine your metabolism as an oven. The gelatin lights the fire, but the green tea is the fan that makes the flames grow. It not only increases GLP-1 production, it also stabilizes insulin, preventing your body from storing fat. And here's the fascinating part. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that women using this extract lost twice as much belly fat than women who didn't use it. It's like green tea is a GPS telling your body, hey, burn belly fat first. The third ingredient is concentrated gingerol extract, the active compound in ginger. Gingerol has a unique and powerful ability. It activates both GLP-1 and GIP at the same time. The fourth and final ingredient is turmeric with piperine. In a special combination that's 2,000% more absorbable, turmeric is the guardian of your entire transformation. See, it's useless to activate all these hormones if silent inflammation in your gut is blocking everything, right? After age 35, microinflammation starts sabotaging your metabolism. It's like having a clogged pipe. No matter how much water you pour in, nothing flows through. Turmeric with piperine works like a natural drain cleaner, clearing out the inflammation that blocks your hormone receptors and making sure GLP-1 and GIP keep flowing freely.